we want to introduce you to someone besides our dog who likes to squeak a lot. Is somebody who just turned a life around, with the system. And her name's Renee. She was $100,000 in debt. In 40 days, she made $35,000. She didn't have a huge following. She had a following, but not a huge following. Had never done TikTok, never done, some of the other things and social media, and then learned exactly how to do it.
Yeah, she did. She learned exactly how to do it, and she's in such gratitude that more is coming her way. These affirmations are really amazing to help with everybody. But, she's a single mom and she was really struggling to make ends meet. And then all of a sudden her prayers were answered with this exact system that we're talking to you guys about.
Yeah, and doing the affirmations. And this is actually, Pumpkin is saying the exact same thing we're saying, but in dog. It's kind of like in squeak.
Yes.
Yeah, I just want to let you know, it's kind of like Morse code for dogs. So your thing one is, I am grateful for the wealth that flows into my life. I am grateful. I am so grateful for the wealth that flows into my life. I want that for you too.
And thing two is, I am worthy of the success that I desire. Yes.
Yeah, absolutely.
And we'd like you to follow us, like us, and subscribe to us in all ways so that we can keep sharing these affirmations with you.
Yeah, because if you hold these affirmations true, that becomes your millionaire mindset. And that, my friend, is like 90% of the game. So we'll catch you tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.